Hi everyone, I'm here with Online Tech Guide and today I came up with another video tutorial for you guys. Alright, so today I'll explain you how to upload videos on YouTube. So I do the same thing. I'll just show you how, what I did on regular basis. I just made videos and upload to YouTube. So I'll show just what I do. So first open youtube.com from your browser. This is the first step. Alright, so once the YouTube is open, I need to sign in. So I need to make sure about the login process. So I'll just use my existing Google account to sign in because it's YouTube is also the part of Google. So I'm signed in here with my channel Online Tech Guide. So in order to upload your video to YouTube, you need to have a channel. So you can't upload video just randomly. So just make sure that you have a channel or just create any channel, so then I will use simply this button to upload my videos. Alright, so now it allows me to select any file from my PC. Okay, so I'll upload this file and let's get started. Wow, that's very fast. The video is uploaded and now it's processing. That means the video is uploaded from your computer to YouTube server and now it's using some YouTube program, video rendering, and I don't know, those video compression related programs. So now it's done. Video upload is done. And so before publish any video, we have to edit. You have to edit some basic details of the video, and we can do that from here in Video Manager as well. So I'll just delete this video because it is just an example video for now. So if you don't like the video, then you can simply delete the video from here. Alright, so the video is deleted and you guys learned how you can upload the YouTube videos. So that's the whole story of this video. Anyway, thank you very much for watching.